Welcome to Experimental India. We are experimental, we are not mental. Let's experiment. Today you can see that there are very foggy and no sun is rise right now. Now we are going to measure you, make you that if we clean our solar system, then it increase or not. You can see here 0.03 ampere voltage is over here, and this is our other one, and here is available 1.9 ampere available. If we clean in this then does it increase the ampere of the solar or not? Here are plant our solar system. I'm going to cleaning it with this microfiber brush that is very great in cleaning system. You can buy this by using the link in the description available. Now we are going to cleaning these. You can see here are not much dust on these solar systems, but we are going to clean even that, and that we try to find it out that does it really make change anything in our solar system or in our energy. After cleaning it very good, does it improve a little bit of ampere? Just a little bit, not more than that. That does it mean that it can be affected by this. Now I'm going to clean this. This is a solar system that was 3 ampere was showing there, and next one is 1.9 ampere. Both are big solar panels. Now just cleaning this that we can find it easily. It has not too much of dust on these, but even then we are trying to cleaning it and trying to making it different. You can see over here, not too much dust, not too much, just little bit of dust stars over here. We are cleaning them. Sorry for low sound because my mouth is on cleaning and I'm doing. It has not too much of dust as you can see, but it has a little bit of dust, just little bit, very little. Does it really make difference? Let's find it out. No sun is raised right now. It has only just little bit of lights over here. Let's go and find it out. Does cleaned solar system really make difference? Till now it has not been cleaned that much good because it has also dust, but we have cleaned a little bit. Now let's go to the solar system and find it out that's really make change, really make any change. Here are our systems. Okay, system settings are showing over here. That was 3 ampere one. Let's find out. Solar power available 4.6. Yes, you can see that from 3.02 it has been increased by 1.6 ampere. Here that was I'm sorry, that was 1.6 ampere one. I'm sorry, 1.9 ampere one, and it has been increased 2.8 ampere. Yes, you can see that if little bit of dust over here on the solar system, it can make change. It may harm your energies if you don't clean your solar panels regularly, weekly. Then it may decrease your power. You can see on the sky there are no sun on the sky, but we are consuming little bit of energy from our hair, and we are going to be charge our system. Hope you understand that how we can save energy and produce more energy by solar systems. If you understand, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos. And don't forget to comment that does really make change in your clean solar system after cleaning it. Hope you understand. Be with us, keep learning.